Your car is an extension of yourself, but whether you like it or not, people do judge you on how you maintain it. How do you keep a car looking brand new? Well, that's in the art of detailing. At the Body and Paint Workshop, they repair and restore cars back to their original condition all day long, repairing any damages or wear and tear it's had along the way. Now, a car wash isn't even close to what your car goes through when it gets detailed. And it's thoroughly sanitised throughout the process, so it's not only aesthetically pleasing, it's healthier to be in. Every inch of the car is deep cleaned. It goes through engine bay degreasing and steaming, then onto the wheel arches and the undercarriage before it's sealed with a waxing of ceramic, which gives it this gleaming showroom smell and finish and makes dirt harder to stick around. Each car has had a different life, therefore we can change any of the stages after examining it to make sure it really gets what it needs. It doesn't stop there. We perform a variety of techniques and treatments, performing smart body repair, smart paint repair, headlight restoration, wheel repair, PPF, wrapping, tinting, all customised for the individual. Put your car in the hands of our detailers that know how to detail better than anyone else, and I'm sure you'll wish that you did it sooner.